People still want to drive a manual transmission, who to blame them? But the options are fewer today than they were just a few years ago. The good folks at Motor Trend, I'm available, have an extensive slideshow with the remaining gearboxes on the market for 2021. I've linked the article below. In the meantime, here are just a few. First, today's show is brought to you by mycarmatch.com. It's my go-to website for the best deals by zip code. Type in the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll find the best deals from qualified dealers in your area. To learn more, click the link in the description below. The 2021 BMW 2 Series Coupe Convertible M3 and M4 available with a 6-speed manual. You'll find manuals in both the 21 Chevrolet Spark and Camaro. Dodge Challenger has a 6-speed stick. You'll be able to get a 7-speed manual gearbox in the 2021 Ford Bronco, yes, although 6 technically or 7 technically. While the Ford Mustang will have a 6-speed manual transmission. The 2021 Genesis G70 has that option. You'll find a 6-speed manual in the 2021 Honda Civic, 2021 Hyundai Accent, Elantra, and Veloster. If you want a mid-size pickup with a manual, then your choices are limited to the Tacoma and Jeep Gladiator. 2021 Kia Forte Soul gets 6 speeds. The Mazda 3 front-wheel drive hatch has one. There's a 5-speed manual available in the 2021 Mitsubishi Mirage or a CVT. Obvious choice there. The Nissan Versa Base S trim has one. You'll get a 6 in the Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman. And the 21 Subaru Crosstrek and Impreza sedan and hatch have a 5. And then the Corolla as well as the Tacoma have one. So my question to you, my friends, what do you currently drive? Is it a stick? What is it? And are you shopping for one in the future? Does it even matter to you? So the 2021 Toyota Mirai, that fuel cell sedan, is a vast improvement over the last generation. And now it's even better because it's nearly $10,000 cheaper than its predecessor and a serious rival to my Tesla Model 3. Damn it. So the 2021 Mirai has a starting price of $50,455, including destination. That's quite a bit more than my Tesla, but stay with me. The Mirai is available in 2 trim levels, XLE and Limited. The Limited starts at $67,000. If those prices seem high, they are, but you'll be happy to hear that the Mirai is eligible for an $8,000 federal tax incentive, plus additional local tax incentives. In California, the state will give you an additional $4,500. Refueling the Mirai won't cost you anything either because Toyota is throwing in $15,000 in hydrogen fuel. You won't have to worry about refueling too much though, since Toyota has announced that the XLE has a driving range up to 402 miles, which is 30% better than the last Mirai. That's better than the 2021 Tesla Model 3, which gets 263, 13 more than my 2020 Model 3. And the long-range version delivers 353, 31 more than the 2020 model. Now, if you'd rather lease a Mirai, the XLE starts at $500 a month, and the Limited starts at $550 a month. Now, when it's time to service the car, Toyota has extended the Toyota Care coverage of the Mirai to 3 years or 35,000 miles. It's an additional year and 10,000 miles of maintenance and roadside assistance coverage. Elon better step up his game. Then again, everyone is chasing Tesla. There's something to be said for people paving roads that others drive on. Besides, Tesla looks a lot cooler. By the way, the EPA has officially confirmed that the 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E will have an estimated 300-mile range on a single charge when it's equipped with rear-wheel drive and an extended range battery. So if you're interested in the Mustang, there you go. Ford has now released the final EPA estimates for most of the versions of the Mach-E. The standard range rear-wheel drive version has a range of 230, while the standard range version with all-wheel drive has a 211-mile range. The first deliveries of the Mustang Mach-E have already started. The first versions to arrive are the first edition, which will be priced at $61,000, and the premium trim level, which starts at $51,700. The entry-level Mach-E will arrive next year with a price tag starting at $45,000. So my question to you, my friends, which would you choose of the 3? The Mirai, Model 3, or Mach-E? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you have a video topic idea, jot that down as well. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Dave Erickson. Take care. I'll see you next time. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Hey, I want to let you know about a new feature on everymandriver.com. It's a car payment calculator you can use anytime when you're trying to figure out what your potential loan amount is and the monthly payment figure. So what you do is you type in the vehicle price, your down payment, trade-in figure, sales tax, interest rate, and the term of the loan. Click calculate, and then you'll figure out the loan amount and the monthly payment. It's a free tool now available on everymandriver.com.